Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you are having an issue with Zoom when the error message can connect to our service. Please check your network connections and try again with the error code 104101. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And the next step, dito sa control panel, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung category, itong arrow na yan, so click mo lang yan. And then i-select mo lang dito yung large icons para makita mo lahat yung settings. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Defender Firewall. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Windows Defender Firewall, dito lang sa left side menu ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. So click mo lang yan. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Change Settings. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Allowed Apps and Features, so scroll down ka lang, and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Zoom, right? So once nakita mo na ito yung Zoom, so click mo lang siya, and then dapat yung kanyang private and yung public ay nakacheck itong box, right? So nakacheck yan. So once nagawa mo na, and then click mo lang dito yung okay, right? And the next step, so same dito sa ating Windows Defender Firewall settings. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Advanced Settings, so click mo lang yan. And pop up itong Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Inbound Rules. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Inbound Rules, so kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at i-locate natin dito yung Zoom. Alright? So once na-locate mo na yung Zoom conference, so select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang Windows properties, and then dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung actions. So i-select mo lang dito yung allow the connections, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. So once nagawa mo na yan, so ang next step, select mo ulit dito yung outbound rules. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa outbound rules, so same procedure, scroll down at kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Zoom conference. So once na-locate mo na, and then select mo lang siya, kailangan mo na mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang Windows properties. So dito sa general, select mo lang siya. And then dito lang sa baba, makikita mo dito yung action. So same, i-select mo lang dito yung allow the connections. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then, next step ay close lang natin dito and try to relaunch Zoom and see if the issue has been resolved. But if the issue still persists, so we can try here. Another solutions would be to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. Ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig. It should be small letter lahat. And then yung //DNS ay one word yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. So ang next step or next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung NETSH space WNSAC space reset. Okay, it should be small letter lahat. And then yung command keyword na NETSH space WNSAC space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na successfully reset the WNSAC catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete a reset. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Right? So click mo lang ito. Okay, so ano lang po kasimple on how to fix can connect to your service Zoom with the error code 104101 and Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.